Guys, welcome back to Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion 2026. Again, we are with our friends at Toyo Tires. They've been a huge supporter of the channel, but we're going to walk around and show you what's what. In part one, we took you around, talked to a lot of vendors, but I also wanted to show you a lot of the cool Jeeps that we found inside the show at Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion, take you to a square light meetup with some of our friends, as well as a very popular spot, which is a Quaker Steak after hours parties down in the parking lot, and show you some of the builds that we see from you guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the high ground. We're going to lift it up until a tire stops. And there it is, checking clearances, making recommendations, anything they may want to relook. Good way to learn. There are also some cool Jeeps from different eras. We got a Ford Control, you got the 79 J10, have some classics like this Jeep Comanche and the Cherokee, as well as others throughout the show. In previous years, they had the Winter Circle out in front of the LeConte Center. This year, up at the top parking lot, they kind of relocated some of those classics that you see right here. Hey guys, so Clayton Off-Road is the manufacturer of our lift kit. This is their long arm kit on the JL here. High quality, durable parts, and probably some of the strongest control arms you'll find in the industry. So that's a JL, and let's go check out the JT. Up here you got a JT with a long arm kit, big beefy Clayton control arms, built like a radius arm kit in the back. You got your 5-link. And these are a weld-on kit. Alright guys, so this is the newest light bright build on portals. Still has some work needed. Next Venture Motorsport body armor. Looks good. Sitting on 42s. We also got to talk to Brad from Trail Recon in our previous episode, but here's Recon 1 for you. I'm a sucker for Ford controls as well as Overland builds, and this one just hits the spot. I think it was one of the coolest Jeeps I saw. I put a 4-liter head on. That is cool. Hey guys, so we're over here at the brand new 9-line in Pigeon Forge, and I'm going to pass it over to Matt because he's got a little bit of something to say, and Nicole from Wrangle Soul, and this is one of her Jeeps. Her other cool Jeep is across the way, but take it away guys, tell us what you got.
Yeah, so this is just, it's a 9-line event, but it's also sort of a square headlight meetup, so you didn't have to have square headlights to show up, but you had square headlights, you're cooler. But anyway, we've got 2 of Nicole's Jeeps here. We've got the Wrangled Soul, which is her big, bad, awesome YJ that I absolutely love. We've got the other one, which is Spice of Life. That's right. And then we've got the JLU, or the YJU.
YJL.
Gosh,
Yeah.
I hate that position. But from Unofficial Use Only is here. A bunch of other YJs are here. We're having a blast just hanging out. Everyone loves the square headlights, so we're having a good time.
Yeah, we've got some great giveaways out here. We have.
Let's talk about those. Like, what companies are donating stuff?
Yeah, so 9-line has been really hospitable. They're giving away some merch inside for us, and then Vintage Air has donated. And then we have something from Trail Belt too. We have a $250 store gift card for Trail Belt, and then we're also putting door pockets. Yeah, we have door pockets.
It's a lot to keep track of.
It is a lot. It is a lot.
But it's fun. I'm giving away stickers. That's what I'm doing.
If you want more information, give Nicole a follow over at Wrangled Soul and Matt at the Matt Brody, or simply must go on YouTube.
Yep.
Thanks guys. Check out some cool YJs here. Ooh, baby. Nice. A lot of people like that. I like this. The Quaker Steak and Lube is by far the most popular place for folks to hang out in their Jeeps in the evening hours, and it's open till 10 p.m. or when the cops send everybody home. For the most part, the police officers and local community are extremely supportive, and it's a great time. One thing you'll definitely want to bring are some ducks and a good lawn chair if that's your thing, to just hang out check out the different cool builds, and hang out with friends.
Yeah, we did the 9-line event with them.
Oh yeah, I've known her for a bit.
Cool. As night falls and the sun sets, the speakers get louder, the neon lights get brighter, and the shenanigans get a little bit more impressive. When Hutch May shows up, you know there's going to be some shenanigans. If you want to give him a follow, Hutch719 over on YouTube and Instagram. He wheels the heck out of this thing, stock axles and 42s, and he is probably one of the most technical crawlers you guys will see on a fairly stock Jeep. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's trip. Again, Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion 2026 was a huge success. We really enjoyed it, And thanks for joining us on this. Once again, give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a hype. We love hearing from you guys, especially when you stop by the booth. We're at these events and we get to interact with you. I'll give you my honest opinion, and as always, I get to share my dream with you, but the true purpose is to help inform, motivate, and inspire you guys to get out there and start building your dreams.